you can set up kind of a guard assignment with the OR operator, which is common in Lua code. So this expression only sets the local x to the global x if it already exists, and if not, set it to default. So here the x has not been assigned, so it will print the default setting. Once x is assigned, it will print global settings. This code would also work with setting the local x. It prints local setting and not the default. If the local x already has a value, then it will keep that value and not override with the default. If you want the x to be set to default after it already has been set, then you can assign nil or false to either x or local x.